Welcome to my channel, friends. Today I will show you some of my artwork which I have created on drawings pages. This is a praying person, as you can see. Tweety, a girl on the beach, and here is Wolf holding a red rose. Peacock, and here is Jesus, an angel holding him. Tarzan, and here is Batman. This is very old drawing, one of my childhood drawings. And here is my picture, which I painted on drawing sheet. Paris, made through oil painting. These are oil colors which I use. And here is one of my best drawings, Wolf and Eagle, depicting the nature. I hope you love my drawings. Thank you very much, my friend.